And in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a review on XIO, what my thoughts on it are, and how to buy it if you guys are interested, and sell it if need be. So without further ado, I'm on XIO's main website right here. So we're just gonna go through this together and see what it is. Like, I know there's a lot of hype around XIO right now. There's a lot of other altcoins that are like very high right now in the Uniswap space. So I just wanted to make a quick review on it, see what the hype is all about, and if it's something that you guys are interested in investing in, you guys can. So let's look at the website together. The future is at stake. Earn instant alpha token rewards for staking the next generation of upcoming blockchain projects. So the problem, over 10 billion was invested through an ICO. This explosion and subsequent collapse showed the undeniable potential but overwhelming inefficiencies of decentralized and capital-based crowdfunding. So this is what their solution is. Cross-staking is a liquidity force community based on alternative funding model with the vision of mitigating risk. So basically, this is how it looks like it works. You get your XIO, you have it in your liquidity. This doesn't quite make too much sense to me, so we're just gonna keep going. This token is powered by locking, which is staking of XIO, and interest generating governance token when users lock XIO. Okay, so this is like, either HEX, if you guys know what it is, or any other coin. You could just earn interest on staking. So this is just a video of it. If you guys want, I'll leave a link to this website. You guys can watch it, but it looks exactly like Uniswap. So from what I think of it so far, it's like exactly like Uniswap. It's like a peer-to-peer exchange where you can deposit a certain coin and or you can buy a certain coin through Ethereum or whatever they support. So you can find your coin. Instead of going to crypto exchange, users visit XIO and search for blockchain projects. So it's like a for these new ICOs, you guys are able to purchase them through somewhere where it's kind of reliable without going to their website and whatever how an ICO works. Step 2, you can stake your coin and then you can earn interest on that coin. This is just the future of it. I don't know if they're ever going to reach that future, but that's pretty much the XIO coin. It definitely is unique, and I mean, if you look at Uniswap is already doing big things, and if it's just exactly like it, who knows what. It might go like Uniswap. Like if Uniswap had a coin, I'm sure it would be worth quite a lot. So that's basically XIO. So currently it's trading at around 14 cents. Total liquidity around $10,000, volume around 30,000. But it's definitely been down a lot over the past couple days. I remember just a couple days ago it was almost 30 cents, and now it's all the way back down to 14, almost a 50% drop, which is a lot. And this might be a great time to buy because it's this major pullback, and who knows, I mean, no one can predict what the price will go to, but definitely this is a coin that might have potential in the future. Now, like I said, no one knows what the price will go to, but if it went to 30 cents and it has such a unique project behind it, being like Uniswap, who knows how high it might go to. This is definitely a high risk coin though, so be careful if you guys want to invest in this. This is just, if you need some more information on it, if you guys aren't interested in this coin. So basically, I'm going to show you guys, if you guys want to buy it, you're just going to go to the Uniswap website, which I'll leave a link down below, and you can just hit trade, or it'll open up on the interface, the exchange. And before you do this, you have to make sure you have MetaMask installed. Once you have MetaMask installed, you're just going to deposit Ethereum in here. I'm not going to be doing a live purchase. I already bought this a couple days ago and took a major loss, but I'm still going to hold. Who knows what the price will go to. So you're going to deposit Ethereum on here. You can buy Ethereum through Coinbase, wherever you guys buy it. And once you have that, you're just going to, let's say you want to buy 1 Ethereum work, and you're going to select your coin, which is XIO. So for 1 Ethereum, you'll get 1700 XIO. You're just going to hit submit, and it should be over here. If not, you're going to have to add in the token pair. You should be able to do that on the right here, token information. You're just gonna copy this address and paste it onto your MetaMask wallet, and then you should see your funds there. So currently I have 298. It's literally nothing. I put in maybe like 50 bucks in here, 60 bucks just to see how it would play out. I personally thought it would go higher, but it definitely dropped, and I personally think it's because of all of this FOMO involved with it. I'll get to that in a second, but I just want to go over the price and everything. So currently it's at 12 cents. It's down around 40% today, which is absurd. Like I said, you guys can buy on Uniswap. I personally buy Uniswap because it's just convenient. That you might pay more over there, but it's just convenience, and plus IDEX, it's for non-US members, so you're gonna have to use a VPN. And XIO, I personally haven't used it. Uniswap very easy for me, but it's up to you guys. So 24 hours down 40%, 1 hour down 6%. It's dropping like crazy. Now it has been up quite a bit in the 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days, but like I said, who knows what the price will go to. And all-time low, it's up about 2,000% from the beginning. So this is definitely a coin which is interesting to look at. I wanted to just look over at Uniswap. So if you guys haven't noticed, a lot of coins on Uniswap, they're basically pumping and dumping. So look, half these coins are up 50% today, which is absurd. And there's always coins that are being up a lot, and you don't know which to invest in, because you have these people who come in just to buy it, pop with the price, or wait for other people to buy it and then they sell. So it's like kind of a weird game everyone's playing right now, and you don't know exactly what coin is going to have potential because people are just doing it to make money. So with all this out here, you don't know what to, like I said, when to invest in. So with that being said, I just wanted to make a quick video on XIO. Like I said, if you guys are interested in buying it, this is how you do it. We don't know what the future is going to entail, so it might go up, it might not, it might just have hit its all-time high and now it's nothing. So let's see what happens with this coin. Like I said, it's definitely a great project that they're working on, so we'll see how it goes. But with that being said, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.